In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to make the most out of your experience with ChatGPT, ensuring you leave with reliable and thoroughly checked information every time. If you're ready to dive in, let's get started. First and foremost, open your browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Once there, go ahead and log into your account. If you're new or not logged in, simply follow the prompts to access your dashboard. With that step complete, it's time to start a new chat. This is where you'll clearly state your request, providing as much context as possible. For example, you might say, "Can you provide the latest statistics on global renewable energy production, along with sources?" This is a great way to specify what you're looking for and how you want it presented. Including additional instructions can be incredibly helpful at this juncture. Consider stating something like, "Please include citations from reputable sources." This nudges ChatGPT towards delivering information that's backed by credible references. In cases where you're discussing topics that are evolving rapidly, time sensitivity is key. You could add a note such as, "Use information from 2024 onwards only." This ensures that the data you receive is not only accurate but up to date. Once ChatGPT responds, it's crucial to take the time to carefully review any links or citations provided. This vetting process is essential in determining the reliability of the information you've received. To further bolster the accuracy, cross-check each piece of information using trusted sources such as well-known news sites, academic journals, or official reports. This gives you a solid foundation from which to assess the integrity and timeliness of the data. Now, if you stumble upon details that appear ambiguous or questions arise, don't hesitate to follow up by asking ChatGPT to verify the data with at least two different sources. This offers an additional layer of validation for your peace of mind. It's important to be as thorough and meticulous in this step as possible. Once you've confirmed the information's accuracy and feel confident in its reliability, make sure to save it in your notes or whichever reference tracker you prefer. Having these references easily accessible will be an invaluable resource for any future projects or inquiries you might have. And there you have it, a systematic approach to using ChatGPT in a way that ensures you consistently gather information that's both current and credible. By integrating these steps into your process, you're setting yourself up for success with each interaction, transforming every data request into a learning opportunity. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for